Hola, I am Violeta Bernal and today's lesson is the verb quedar. Let's start with the uses of quedar when it's not reflexive. Uno, to agree. To agree for a meeting, appointment, or date. Por ejemplo, quedamos a las 7. You can also agree for a decision. Por ejemplo, quedamos en que compraremos los tiquetes mañana. In this situation, you need to follow the structure like quedar en que and then the decision that you agree. Dos, result of an action or situation. This is another way to say to look. Por ejemplo, mi libro quedó súper chévere. Full color, the quality of the paper, súper chévere. If you're watching this video before October 14th, make sure you sign up for my webinar workshop where I'm going to launch my video course and I will have surprises for those who show up. It's something with a book. It's just, I can tell you more. Make sure you sign up. If you didn't watch this video before that date, don't worry, you can still buy my ebook and the information is in the description as well. Tres, to indicate the time for something to be finished or done. Por ejemplo, nos quedan 2 días de vacaciones. As you see, nos quedan is conjugated for the 2 days. This situation, the verb quedar is conjugated the same as gustar. That you don't say yo quedo, tú quedas, no. You just put me, te, le, les, nos, and the word queda or quedan if it's present tense, and the thing that is singular or plural. Just the same as with gustar. So follow the structure. Me, te, le, les, nos, queda, quedan, and then the situation for the related with the time. 4. To indicate what is left or we still have. In this situation, the verb can be conjugated like gustar or just normal. Por ejemplo, like gustar would be me quedan 5,000 pesos. Or if I am in a store and I see that there is just one empanada, then I'm going to say queda una empanada. As you see here, the verb is normal. 5. To fit shoes or clothes. Again, the verb is going to be conjugated like gustar, and in this situation, we will use the word bien and mal. Por ejemplo, los zapatos me quedan, as you see now it's plural because the shoes are plural. Los zapatos me quedan bien. Make sure you don't say bueno or malo because no, that's wrong. You have to use bien or mal. 6. To look good on someone. In this use, again, the verb is conjugated like gustar. Por ejemplo, a mi hermana le quedan bien los sombreros. Let's continue with the uses that quedar is reflexive. 7. Quedarse, to stay. Yo me quedo en un hotel. 8. Change of condition or state. Por ejemplo, me quedé dormida. O toda noche me quedé despierta. 9. This one is kind of hard to translate. This is like to keep doing an action, like keep and then a verb in ing in English. A way to say how is this is like you remain in a situation, in a status, in a action. I hope with example you get the idea. Por ejemplo, I could say, toda la mañana me quedé esperando tu llamada. Because it's reflexive, imagine I stayed somehow like this, waiting and waiting. And it's something like that. You remain in that action. I really hope you get the idea with example because this is just no way to translate it exactly. Another example is me quedé estudiando toda la noche. That means that you were studying the whole night. O me quedé leyendo en la tarde, me quedé leyendo. Let's say I didn't have to work and I stay home and me quedé leyendo. We are close to the end. Paciencia, paciencia. Like this, to appropriate or to keep. Por ejemplo, me quedé con su libro. Now, the last two, they are not reflexive, they are normal, and they are not conjugated like gustar. And again, it's hard to translate to English. I hope, again, that you get the idea with examples. Bien? So 11. Quedar plus an emotion. So this is to remain in that emotion because a situation, something that you found out. Por ejemplo, let's say you told me that your mom has cancer and I'm very, very, very close to your mom. So then I'm going to tell you, ay no, me quedé triste, me quedé muy triste. Like I remain in the sadness, me quedé triste. You can do this with any emotion. Me quedé triste, me quedé feliz, me quedé preocupada, me quedé sorprendida. And finally, the last one, 12, quedar embarazada, to get pregnant, quedar embarazada. Entonces, you can say something like, el año pasado quedé embarazada. Although in my case, no, it's true. I'm not ready for kids. I don't want kids. That's so scary. My only baby is my book and my video course. That's it. Well, no, like humans, no thank you. That's too much. I love sleeping. So anyway, that's it with the verb quedar. No, that's it. That was like a lot. But I know it's a verb that normally is for intermediate and advanced level students, but for some reason you are a beginner, then you can start understanding the messages or everything that you hear in Espanol. Don't forget to subscribe, to follow me on YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, because I'm always posting everywhere. And also, again, if you watch this before October 14th, then to sign up for my webinar workshop. And if you see this after that date, don't worry. You will get everything in the description. Just follow the links, and that's it. I will see you next time. Ciao!